Now listen up, peeps, here comes a rap. Trying to study over summer, trying to fill up the gap. Coming into class already confused, a lot of upperclassmen who aren't amused.
But I'm gonna prove myself, gotta get that 5. Miss Sheeran in our corner, we're sure to survive. I still don't get sig figs, what's a hexamole? What, it's not an animal, that's out of control. Starting chapter 4, here comes the solution. Finding molar concentrations working with dilution. M1 D1 equals M2 V2. Sorry, Miss Sheeran, I prefer R2D2.
When a substance dissolves, look at our chart. Which are insoluble and which break apart. Group 1A ions, ammonium perchlorate. If added to solution, they always lose their mate.
If you want to succeed, this is all you will need.
Learn from your mistakes, so much effort this will take.
Studying polarities and solubility, you know you've got to strive.
Listen to 10th power and you're sure to get that 5.
Now the year's moving on, now we're getting to gases. We know the speed of molecules based on their masses. Bigger is slower and smaller means fast. In diffusion, heavier atoms can last.
Thanks to Boyle and Charles and our boy GL, we now have Pivnert, which is totally swell. We got the R constant pointed to a 6. Take pressure, volume, moles, and temp and add it to the mix.
Let's party hard tonight.
Oh wait, we still have 10.
How many parts left on the owl? Darn it, all of them.
Low pressure, high temp is the gas that's most ideal. High pressure, low temp is the gas that's most real. Pivnert's relations are inverse and direct, which make gases' behaviors easier to detect. Increase the pressure and the temp will rise. Decrease the pressure and the volume grows in size.
Le Chatelier, the name we cannot say. The principle tells the way reactions sway. Increase the reactance, the reaction shifts right. Bring equilibrium back into sight.
For moles of gas, pressure is a pain. The lesser term of coefficients will see the gain. Exothermic reactions have a product that is heat. Shifting to the left, equilibrium will agree. How fast we get there depends on the rate. You know the order of reaction when the line is straight. ln of A versus units of time. If you want to move faster, use an enzyme.
Spectroscopy can be used to find the rate. With respect to reactants, you will be in awe. In a forced-order reaction, half-lives is the same. We apologize if this rap is really kind of lame.
If you want to succeed, this is all you will need.
Learn from your mistakes, so much effort this will take.
Studying gases and kinetics, you know you've got to strive.
Listen to 10th power and you're sure to get that 5.
If that makes sense, you're ready for new information, getting the pH from H plus concentration to the negative log, and soon you will see how basic or acidic the solution will be.
The pH scale runs from 0 to 14. From one end to the next, a power of 10 is between. The power of hydrogen can be found through neutralization. From there, you can get the OH minus concentration. Welcome to the land of nightmares where titrations well. You'll find that unlike Pivnert, we don't do them very well. When you see that darkening color, know that you've gone wrong. You've let the stop card run the OH minus for too long.
To do a titration, you brew out and smell like new. First distill water, then solution a few times through. Before you titrate, make sure your molarity is correct. Don't use that 19 molar base, Jack's hand will get wrecked.
If you want to succeed, this is all you will need.
Learn from your mistakes, so much effort this will take.
Studying acids and titrations, you know you've got to strive.
Listen to 10th power and you're sure to get that 5. Thermodynamics is the unit of the deltas, with the S and G and H's and equations don't neglect ya. Joules versus kJ and the R constant they say. If delta G is negative, there's spontaneity.
Delta G equals delta H minus temperature delta S. If you want to know the equation, get up and grab the booklet. Then you got your delta G equals negative penalty P naught. After the stupid long AP test, your brain is surely shot. If you want to succeed, this is all you will need.
Learn from your mistakes, so much effort this will take.
Studying all that chemistry, you know you've got to strive.
Listen to 10th power and you're sure to get that 5.
If you want to succeed, this is all you will need.
Learn from your mistakes, so much effort this will take.
Studying all that chemistry, you know you've got to strive.
Listen to 10th power and you're sure to get that 5.